Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make a taser using something so simple as a disposable camera. You only need the following tools: a knife. Well, you don't really need whatever. You'll see. Alright, first step you want to do, of course, get out the wrapper. Take off the case of it, since it will only hinder you. Alright, I got the case off. Alright, looks like a regular camera. So, flip around. You're going to be on the inside of it, so flip around. Press the button over there to release it. And see right there, take the film out. You're not going to be needing that. Also, quick reminder, you'll be thanking me for it. Make sure you take the battery out. Take the battery out, trust me. You're going to want to do that. Alright. After that is all done, you can go about it whichever way you want, but you got to get the front taken off. And you will see why momentarily. Alright, you got the front plate over. Your camera will look like this. Yeah, okay. Next, you want to take the flash out. You'll notice there's 3 wires connected to it. I have a red one, a white one, and a blue one. Those of you that are colorblind. I'm just going to take the scissors. I'm going to cut off all the wires, because you're not going to want them attached to the flash. You don't even really need to worry about the white one. The white one plays no importance at all to this experiment, whatever you want to call this. Alright, took the flash off. I'm not going to need that. You throw that aside. Do whatever you want with it. Alright, now you're going to have what looks like this. You're going to have 3 wires just chilling. We're going to sit here. We're going to put the front of the case back on. Make sure everything is sealed up nice and tight. Then we're going to take the knife to peel back the covering right now. Alright, I got enough wire exposed for it to function properly. I don't want to trim the excess wire off. Pop the battery back in. Pop the battery back in. Hold down the charge button. See it splashing? It's ready to taste someone. Here we go. And there you go. Those of you missed it, we'll do it again. The harder while you charge it up, the harder it is. I'll be demonstrating it with someone a little bit later. No. Get the fucking